Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe Atlas, manage startup and payments step by step clearly. To log into Stripe Atlas, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Stripe Atlas. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to a login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once your email and password are correctly entered, click the Login button. After logging in, you will be taken to your Stripe Atlas dashboard. From here, you can manage your startup and payments effectively. Familiarize yourself with the various features available in the dashboard. Ensure you check your payment settings to confirm they are set up correctly. You can access resources and support if you have questions or require assistance. Logging in is a straightforward process that gives you access to vital tools for your startup. Now you can start managing your payments and business operations with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.